Hello, this is Abhinav Kumar Chaudhary, and I'm presenting our project Cell GPT. Uh, so there is already an existing Cell GPT project. The difference between that and this one is that it uses OpenAI API to query the prompt to ChatGPT under the hood. Whenever we write a prompt in the terminal, it sends it to ChatGPT API and then receives a response. So the only issue that it has is that it is not available locally. So we wanted to make a project that can do the same thing, but it works locally in the system. Also, this handles the privacy and all. So the steps that were taken was collecting the prompt response data of many cell commands. Then we had to select a model. So we tried multiple models like BERT, GPT-2, and then we went ahead with GPT-2. Fine tuning the model, we prepared the dataset in step one, and then we fine tuned the model to work for our use case. Then we went on to evaluate the model. So I'll just quickly go to the demo now. I think it's here only. So first we imported all the libraries and the model and the tokenizer and everything. So this is the first part. Then we also imported the sklearn library. So we used the train test split. We divided the data into training and testing. So the data was in the form of prompt and command, that is the response. So this is an example data. The prompt is list files and directories in the current directory. Command is ls. Then we tokenized the data set, and then this is the collateral step. After that, these are the arguments. We tried different arguments, but at the end we are going with this. We can still change the number of epochs, but for this demo I have used 5 epochs. I've already trained this model in this step. We are also using WAN-DB, so we have to enter that API key, and once it's done, it gives us this model. It saves the model in this part, in the output part. So yeah, once it is done, we can just import this model and we can prompt it here. So for example, the prompt is create a directory named test directory. So I'll run it. I guess my internet is not working, but yeah, I've run it before also, and this is the response that is generated. Like, it gives the command, it gives the prompt also, and this part is basically the response of the model, and there is some junk output also. So I'm still trying to figure out how to get rid of this. So basically this is the model, and there were some issues that we faced, that because the data we are using is not as big as need we needed. So this is like 200 commands. We need more data to train this model before we can use it practically. So this is one thing we have to work on. Other than that, we can try. It's still working for some commands, but it's not working for the new commands that is not a part of the dataset. So that's all from the presentation. Thank you.